Look at this. Remember I was telling you about the beet salad that I make? 99 cents for garbanzo beans. 99 cents, you put some goat cheese, you put some beets and some red onion, and you've got a delicious side salad. So we're gonna get one of these. I'm gonna get two, they're on sale. And also the cannellini beans. I love to do this with my escarole. Escarole and beans, great side dish, great first dish. It works. Okay? Right behind me are the pastas. Okay, so there's all different kinds of pastas. There's gluten-free, there's whatever you like. Some people like Barilla, some don't choose to use Barilla. What I love about Barilla is they do have my orzos, and I love these orzos. I love these as side dishes. I love it in my soups. It works well. And they do have tortellini in the bag. If you think someone in your family loves tortellini as a side dish, for $6, and you see what it says? Servings 4 to 6. This is fantastic. So this goes along. So $6 of this as a tortellini side dish with asparagus and a chicken breast and a salad. You've got a meal for $25, even maybe under. Okay? And as far as pasta is concerned, I like to buy the better pastas. I love the Cecco. Okay? I don't fool around. I love the fact that they have bucatini. My family loves bucatini, and the kids love angel hair. And some people, of course, my clams and linguine. So here it is. So you get a meal. This serves 4 people, 1 box, 4 to 5. So there you go. And I love the Cecco. I love them. And I love their fusilli. So for $3, again, they're made in Italy. This is bronze drawn, slow drying pasta. And you're feeding your family of 4. This goes great on Sunday. Okay, we're gonna have that this Sunday. As far as my tomatoes are concerned, I have to tell you, I love to cook with the all-purpose crushed tomatoes by Cento. Here we are. Okay, I love these. I love their puree. And I love their San Marzano peeled. This makes a great Sunday sauce right here. And then, of course, with your tomato paste, you can pick any tomato paste that you like. Contadina makes a great one. And I also love the Contadina brand of tomatoes. And for Hunts, I love the Hunts. I love the diced tomatoes. Here they are. I love these because these go in my chicken cacciatore, or when I do it in the oven, I put it on top. This is a great product. And I love their Hunts tomato sauce. Love it.